Imagine you're trying to order food, but you're running low on cash. Or maybe you're in a rush and don't have time to go to the ATM. What do? That's where GrabPay comes in. Ever heard of a digital wallet? It's basically a virtual version of your physical wallet, but with a lot more convenience. And GrabPay is one of the most popular ones out there. So, how do you get started with GrabPay? Let's break it down step by step. Download the Grab app. The first thing you need to do is download the Grab app from your App Store. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. Once you've downloaded it, open the app and tap on the wallet icon. Create an account. If you don't have a Grab account yet, you'll need to create one. This is a simple process that involves entering your mobile number and verifying your identity. Once you've verified your identity, you'll be able to access your GrabPay wallet. Add funds. To start using GrabPay, you'll need to add funds to your wallet. There are a few ways to do this. Credit or debit card. You can add funds to your GrabPay wallet using a credit or debit card. Cash. You can also add funds to your wallet by visiting a GrabPay partner store. Bank transfer. If you prefer, you can transfer funds to your GrabPay wallet directly from your bank account. Start using GrabPay. Once you've added funds to your wallet, you're ready to start using GrabPay. You can use it for a variety of things, including food delivery. Order food from your favorite restaurants and pay for it using GrabPay. Transportation. Book a Grab ride and pay for it using GrabPay. Grocery shopping. Buy groceries online and pay for them using GrabPay. Bills and payments. Pay your bills and other expenses using GrabPay. Additional tips. GrabPay card. If you want to use GrabPay for in-store purchases, you can get a GrabPay card. This card works just like a regular debit card. GrabPay rewards. GrabPay offers a rewards program that allows you to earn points for every transaction you make. You can redeem these points for discounts on Grab rides, food deliveries, and other services. Security. GrabPay takes security very seriously. Your wallet is protected by advanced security measures, including two-factor authentication. So, there you have it. That's how you can register for GrabPay and start enjoying the convenience of digital payments. With GrabPay, you can say goodbye to the hassle of carrying cash. So, what are you waiting for? Download the Grab app today and start using GrabPay. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.